problem number 6 from our review packet. We're told that we have constant acceleration of 3 meters. So let's write that down. That the acceleration is 3 meters. And then we know, of course, that we can take the antiderivative of acceleration and get velocity. And that gives us a velocity of 3t plus some constant. Now, if we have some sort of initial velocity, we can find out what that constant is. And here it is right here, that the velocity of the particle is 10 meters per second at time 2. So velocity is 10 when time is equal to 2. So 10 is equal to 6 plus c, or 4 is equal to c. So now we have a velocity equation. Velocity is equal to 3t plus 4. Now, the question that they ask us is how far does the particle travel during the time interval when its velocity increases from 4 meters to 10 meters? Well, one of the questions that, I know that we get this sort of general form that I can find the distance traveled by taking the speed, which is the absolute value of velocity, and integrating from a time 1 to a time 2. But we're going to have to know what time we are at 4 meters per second. So let's go ahead and let's find that out. When are we at 4 meters per second? 4 is equal to 3t plus 4. Let's subtract 4 from both sides. Oh, we get 3t is equal to 0. So the time when we're at 4 meters per second is at time equals 0. When are we at 10 meters per second? Well, we already know that. We're at 10 meters per second at 2 seconds. Let's just confirm that. No, we know that. It's at 2. So now we have the absolute value of the velocity, which is 3t plus 4 dt. Now, on this interval, this expression is always positive. So this is from 0 to 2 of 3t plus 4 dt. Let's take the antiderivative, 3 over 2 t squared plus 4t as evaluated from 0 to 2. Let's plug in evaluated at the upper end. We get 3 halves, 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 3 halves times 0 squared plus 4 times 0. And that's just a big old 0, so we'll ignore that. So we've got 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Plus 8 gives us a total of 14. And our unit of measurement for distance is meters. So 14 meters is our answer.